Hello, this is Chris Minnick with Webucator. In this video, I'm going to show you the CSS text shadow property. This video was inspired by a blog post by Ashley Nolan, which is available at the URL shown here. Browser support for text shadow is excellent, but the way in which it's defined makes it a little bit of a strange property. When applying text shadow to your text, you can specify a color for your shadow, a shadow offset, specified using X and Y positions, and a blur radius. Unlike box shadow, you cannot specify the spread of the shadow. This makes applying a single text shadow to a piece of text fairly limited. Here's an example of a word with a simple text shadow. In many cases, the only way to create stunning text effects with text shadow is to apply multiple shadows to the text. One popular effect is done by layering text shadows on top of one another to create an outline around the text. Here's how that effect is created. There is a property called text stroke, which might be a better solution for creating this effect, but it's currently not part of any W3C spec, and support for it is very limited. Another issue with text stroke is the way in which it's implemented. Currently, you can't control where in relation to the edge of the text the stroke is applied. If you want a stroke that extends from the outer edge of your text, text stroke won't work. It always intrudes on the inner edge of the font, as it's applied as a centered stroke. Here's an example showing how text shadow and text stroke compare in practice when attempting to create a stroke effect on some text. Another use for text shadow is to give the text the illusion of being raised up in 3D, or to create an embossed look. Here's a code pen that contains a mix-in to make producing raised lettered effects easy. In his blog post, Ashley also shows how to apply a pattern to text using the background clip property or with SVG fill. You can view demonstrations of the text shadow property at the URL shown here. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks again to Ashley for the inspiration. Check out his blog at the URL shown here for other articles related to web development.